First time traveling in English.
First trip outside the country?
Yes, I feel very worried.
Airports feel confusing sometimes.
There are many signs everywhere.
Yes, and many fast walkers.
I almost missed security earlier.
Did they check your passport?
Yes, and my small backpack too.
That happens to every traveler.
My English becomes slow there.
Slow English is completely okay.
I forget simple words sometimes.
You still communicate very clearly.
Not inside busy airports, maybe.
What did the worker ask?
Twin ticket and passport.
Haha, that question appears every flight.
I said middle seat accidentally.
Oh no, long, uncomfortable flight.
Yes, my legs still hurt.
Did you ask for directions?
Yes, near the coffee shop.
What did you say exactly?
Excuse me, where is gate 12?
Perfect sentence for traveling situations.
Really? That makes me happier.
Travelers use simple English often.
Good, because mine stays simple.
Where are you flying today?
London, for my first vacation.
Haha, big adventure starts very soon.
Hopefully, I find the right gate.
Haha, follow me. I'm going there too.
Wrong order at a restaurant.
Welcome to Green Street Diner.
Hi, table for one, please.
Sure. Please sit near the window.
Thanks. The place smells really good.
Our burgers are very popular here.
I want a chicken burger.
Fries and a drink too?
Yes. A small cola, please.
Great. Your order comes soon.
Thank you very much.
Here is your order. Enjoy.
Excuse me. This looks different.
Oh? What seems wrong?
My order is wrong.
Really? Let me check the receipt.
I ordered chicken, not beef.
Ah, I see the mistake now.
It's okay. Mistakes happen sometimes.
Let me fix this.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
The new burger needs 5 minutes.
Can I keep the fries?
Of course, the fries are correct.
Good. I was worried about that.
Here comes your chicken burger now.
Yes, this looks much better.
Sorry again about the confusion.
No problem. Your service is very kind.
Enjoy your meal this time.
I definitely will. Thanks again. Exchanging money.
Good morning. How can I help?
Hi, I need different money today.
Sure. Which currency do you need?
British pounds, please.
Okay. How much do you want?
Maybe $200 exchanged?
No problem. Do you have identification?
Yes, my passport is here.
Great. Please give it to me.
Here you are.
One moment. I check today's rate.
Is the rate good today?
Better than yesterday, actually.
Oh, that sounds nice.
You will receive 150 pounds.
Sorry, can you say that again?
150 pounds total.
Okay, I understand now.
There is also a small fee.
A fee? How much is it?
Only $5 today.
All right, that is okay.
Please sign your name here.
Like this or full signature?
Full signature, please.
Done. Is everything finished now?
Yes, here are your pounds.
Thank you. This helps me a lot.
Enjoy your trip to London.
I hope the weather stays sunny. The early arrival.
Good afternoon. You are very early today.
Yeah, much earlier than usual.
Your meeting starts after 30 minutes.
I know. Traffic was surprisingly light.
That almost never happens here.
I was shocked too, honestly.
Would you like some coffee, meanwhile?
Yes, a small coffee, please.
Sugar or milk with that?
Just milk, no sugar today.
Healthy choice. One moment, please.
This office feels really quiet.
Most people arrive very late.
So, I am the strange person?
Joking. Today, yes. Tomorrow, maybe not.
I usually run everywhere each morning.
Bad mornings every day?
Pretty much. Buses never arrive on time.
London buses can be very unpredictable.
I even forgot my umbrella today.
Without an umbrella in London?
I know. Very dangerous decision.
Here's your coffee, by the way.
Thanks. It smells really good.
You can wait near the window.
Perfect. I like watching the street.
Nervous about the meeting later?
A little, but mostly excited.
That usually means good things happen.
I hope you're right.
Good luck. They should call you soon.
All right. Time to look confident. Finding the check-in counter.
You look a little confused.
Yes, I cannot find my airline.
Which airline are you flying today?
I think British Airways.
Did you check the screens?
I tried, but too many names.
Airports feel busy during mornings.
Yes, especially late passengers.
Yes, especially late passengers.
My suitcase feels very heavy too.
Let me see your ticket.
Here, on my phone screen.
Okay, Terminal 3 today.
Oh, I entered wrong terminal?
Don't worry, it happens often.
I already wasted 30 minutes.
The shuttle train comes quickly.
Do I need another ticket?
No, airport trains are free.
Good. I was very worried.
After Terminal 3, follow signs.
Signs for departures, right?
Yes, then find your airline counter.
What does check-in exactly mean?
They check passport and luggage there.
Ah, before going through security.
Exactly. Then you receive boarding pass.
Airports finally make little sense now.
Soon you'll travel like professional traveler.
Maybe after 3 more airports.
Come on, train arrives very soon.
Office first day.
Good morning. You must be Emma.
Yes, today is my first day.
Welcome to Brightstone office, Emma.
Thanks. I feel a little nervous.
Everyone feels nervous at first.
I hope I remember everything today.
Don't worry, we move very slowly.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Let me show you your desk first.
Is it near the window?
Yes, you have a nice view.
Oh, I really like that.
The kitchen is over there.
Important information already.
Coffee keeps this office alive.
Good. I drink lots of coffee.
Your computer password is temporary today.
Temporary, so I change it later?
Exactly. IT sends you another email.
Okay, I need to remember that.
Did you find the office easily?
Almost, but I missed one train.
Haha, that happens every Monday morning here.
At least I arrived on time.
True, that is already impressive.
Where is the meeting room?
Second floor, beside the blue door.
Blue door, second floor. Got it.
Ready to meet the team now?
I think so. Let's do it. Confusing past and present.
Hey Mia, you look confused today.
Yeah, English verbs confuse me sometimes.
Which verbs are difficult right now?
Past and present always mix together.
Okay, tell me about your morning.
Um, Today I wake up early.
Today, I woke up early.
Right, I woke up early today.
Perfect. Then what happened?
I eat breakfast and drink coffee.
Yesterday or this morning?
See, my brain feels completely lost.
English likes confusing people sometimes.
This morning, I ate breakfast.
Great. And you drank coffee too.
Oh, yes, I drank coffee.
What do you usually eat, though?
Usually, I eat toast and eggs.
Nice. That is present tense now.
So, usually changes the tense?
It often gives a small clue.
Ah, that actually helps me.
Let's try another example together.
Okay, but please speak slowly.
Yesterday, where did you go?
Yesterday, I went to the supermarket.
Excellent. That sentence sounds natural.
Finally, one correct answer today.
You are doing much better already.
Thanks. My brain hurts less now.
Good. We saved your brain today.
At the petrol station.
Morning. Need help with the pump?
Yes, this machine looks confusing.
No problem. First time here?
First time driving in Manchester, actually.
Ah, busy roads can feel stressful.
Very stressful, especially the roundabouts.
Which fuel does your car use?
I think regular petrol?
Better check before filling the tank.
Right, wrong fuel sounds expensive.
Extremely expensive and very annoying.
Oh, it says unleaded petrol here.
Perfect. You are safe now.
Good, I already feel calmer.
Insert your card into the machine.
Like this or the other way?
That way works perfectly.
Technology hates me sometimes.
It hates everyone before coffee.
True, I still need coffee today.
The cafe inside sells good coffee.
Really? Maybe I buy one later.
Now lift the black handle slowly.
Okay, I hear the fuel now.
Great. You are doing everything correctly.
Nice. No disaster today then.
Not yet. The day is young.
Please don't say that.
Your tank is almost completely full.
Finally, one easy thing today.
Manchester driving gets easier after practice.
I really hope you are right. Negotiation at a street market.
Scarves today, very soft material.
Oh, these colors look really beautiful.
Handmade in London last weekend.
How much is this blue one?
£20 for that scarf.
20? That feels a little expensive.
Good quality always costs more.
I understand, but my budget is small.
What price are you thinking about?
Maybe 12 pounds?
12? My heart feels attacked.
Sorry, I am trying my best.
All right, I can do £18.
Still a bit high.
Look closely at the stitching here.
Oh, the details look very nice.
Exactly. This scarf lasts many years.
Could you do 15 pounds maybe?
15 feels difficult today.
I walked very far this morning.
Haha, that is not strong negotiation.
My tired feet disagree completely.
All right, £16, final price.
And maybe a small discount tomorrow, too.
Tomorrow already? You bargain aggressively.
I am practicing my market English.
Honestly, your English sounds very natural.
Really? That makes me feel confident.
So, do we have a deal?
Yes, 16 pounds sounds fair enough.
Excellent. I will pack it carefully.
Thanks. My sister will love this. At the checkpoint.
Good evening. Passport and boarding pass, please.
Yes, 1 second, please.
Take your time. No rush.
I always lose things at airports.
Airports make everyone forgetful sometimes.
Okay, here are my documents now.
Thank you. Are you traveling alone?
Yes, just me today.
All right. What is your destination?
New York for 1 week.
Business trip or holiday?
Mostly holiday, maybe some shopping too.
New York is dangerous for shopping budgets.
My wallet already feels nervous.
Please place your bag on the belt.
This belt here, right?
Yes, exactly. Then walk through slowly.
Okay, I hope everything is fine.
Remove your phone from your pocket first.
Oh, I forgot about my phone.
It happens many times every day.
Airports have too many small rules.
True, even I forget some sometimes.
That actually makes me feel better.
All right, please walk through now.
Like this? Slowly?
Perfect. No alarm sounds today.
Great. Small victory for me.
Enjoy your trip to New York.
Thanks. I'm excited and terrified together.
That sounds like normal travel feelings.